Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving because I know I did, okay? Me and the family, we had a blast. It was my birthday. We enjoyed ourselves, okay? But now I am back in business and I'm bringing this delicious super garlicky steak bite for you guys. Super easy to make. Hope you enjoy it. Before I begin, be sure to leave a like on this video for me if you find it helpful, if you're going to try it, and also if you're new here, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on amazing recipes like this one. And let's dive in to this recipe. All right, guys, let's begin this recipe. Like I said, it's extremely easy. Anybody can do it. So we're going to start with unsalted butter, a little bit of complete seasoning. I have some garlic salt as well as some ground black pepper, lots and lots of garlic, fresh garlic, thyme, and rosemary, and a little bit of olive oil. Last but not least, we have the steak. Okay, I'm using New York strip. However, you can use ribeye or whatever steak that you like to use. Okay, we're going to cut these into small bite-sized pieces, just like so. Once we're done, you should have something like this. All right, now it's time to season. Before seasoning the steak, I like to drizzle some olive oil on there, rub it in, okay, just like that, and then we're going to add the seasoning in. All right, so now the seasoning, like I said, it's complete seasoning, garlic salt, ground black pepper. Make sure it's nice and ready to go. Mix it together before you add it on there, and then just sprinkle it all over the steak. Now, once you're done, your steak is nice and well seasoned. You are going to grab yourself a cast iron skillet. Make sure it's extremely hot because we are making steak, baby. And then you're going to be adding your steak bite right in there. Now, I'm going to cook the steak bite for about 2 minutes per side. You want a nice, beautiful golden color. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Then you are going to flip it over. Allow the other side to cook for another 2 minutes. Now that is all depends on how you like your steak, okay? Me personally, I like my steak on the medium well side. I know. Don't come for me. If you like it any other way, it's fine. If you like it, I love it, okay? But for me, that's how I like my steak. So I'm going to remove this batch so I can cook the other batch, because I want a really nice sear on the steak. So we're going to remove that, set it aside, and then we're going to add the other batch right in. Like I said, you can see the smoke. It is extremely hot. This is how you want it to be, smoking hot, because you want a nice color on the steak. So yeah, we're going to let that cook for another 2 minutes per side, then flip over. All right. Alrighty, now we are flipping this over. Obviously, it's been 2 minutes. Flip it over, and then once 1 minute hit, I am going to grab the first batch of the steak. I am going to pour that in. All right, all the juice, all of that goodness, pour that in there. So I'm going to add my butter, add it right in the middle. And then you are going in with your minced garlic. Lots and lots of garlic, because this is a garlicky type of steak. I'm adding some fresh herbs to make it nice and herby. I love that. So You're going to keep mixing everything together. Make sure the rosemary and the thyme is frying so it can release all that beautiful flavor to the butter, so you can baste your steak with that. Okay, look how beautiful this is. Tell me this is not beautiful. And you can tell this is extremely flavorful just by looking at it. All right, give it a toss here and there, baste your steak, and this is basically the recipe. How easy. How easy. You can toss this over some mashed potatoes, some white rice, a side of veggies. It's up to you. The list goes on. All right, guys, let's try this steak bite. It looks so good. It smells so good. And I can't wait to try it. So let's not do a lot of talking and let's get to eating. Give it a try. Wow. It's so juicy, garlicky, the rosemary. You can taste the herby flavor. So good. And this takes me less than 20 minutes to make. So easy. This is definitely a 10 out of 10 steak bite recipe that you've got to try. Hopefully you enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.